Building with Papa. Alright, I'm going to build a sound booth. Someone gave me this drawing of how they wanted the sound booth to be built. These are the shelves. So we have this knee wall up, drywalled, 2x4 at the top. Now I'm going to cut the lumber so that I can make the shelves. Here's the lumber. I'm using these 2x4s, long enough to go all the way across that wall. Now I notch out the 2x4s where I'm going to lay the other 2x4s, and I mount it on each end of the wall. Alright, we extend these long 2x4s all the way across. I'm going to have to put a support in the middle. I notch it out also to fit around the 2x4s. I kept the 2x4 off the wall so I can have a gap from the shelf that I'm putting in and the wall so wires can go down. And we have an end piece because it's going to be like an L shape for the sound booth. Alright, I had some MDF board. I cut it and screwed it on top of the 2x4s. It's all getting painted anyway. Okay, what I did was I shot the laser, measured up to where I wanted the piece to go. I marked it, and then I screwed it off. I did the outside perimeter first. Okay, this way I cut it, was able to screw it into the 2x4 that's on the top of the wall. Use the laser to get everything level, and then screwed it all together. Then I went on the inside and I cut the 1x8 to fit all the way across. I screwed that down. Then the 1x6 on the two smaller ends. I puttied it, and then I'll be sanding it and painting it. I think it's turning out good. Okay, now I've puttied it and sanded and painted it. I'll show you what I did with the shelves. I put an additional shelf in. I cut some blocks to hold it up and kept it off the back so that wires can come down behind there. And painted it all, come out pretty good. I think they're going to like it. It's a much bigger sound booth than they used to have. Well, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.